Good morning, class 4. Nowadays, you are doing multiplication in your maths period. In the continuation of the last math session, I would like to precise the multiplication process followed by statement sums, or you can say word problems in this maths session. So, first of all, multiplication is a process of repeated addition. How? Your question is fine. We can take one example to understand this well. During this prolonged lockdown period, you have got a shortage of stationery, especially of pencils. Since today your nearby stationery shop is open after a long time, you had gone there to buy pencils. You have bought 5 packets of pencils and 10 pencils were there in each packet. When you come back, your father has asked that how many pencils did you buy? How can you reply this? You can express this in this way, or you can think before you will reply that you have bought 10 pencils in one packet plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 10 pencils in each packet added to itself 5 times because you have bought 5 packets. Or you can think like this: 5 times 10 means 10 multiplied by 5. In either of the cases, either you have added 10 repeatedly to itself 5 times, or you had multiplied 10 by 5, you will get the same answer, 50. So you can say multiplication is a process of repeated addition. Now we will see how can we solve the statement sums of multiplication. Before we will start understanding this word problems in multiplication with the help of the examples, I would like to say how you can understand that the given sum will be solved by applying the multiplication operation. As well, how can you write the statement correctly? So, the first question is, the cost of a refrigerator is rupees 8,975. What is the cost of 24 such refrigerators? So, in this question, or like this in other word problems, you will have two types of sentences. First type is the sentence of information. Second type is the sentence of question. So at first you will focus on the sentence of question. So in this example, what is the cost of 24 such refrigerators? Means you have to find out the cost. So you will start your statement from cost. Now you will see what information is given. So once you have understood that, your wording will start from cost. Then you will see what information is given and you will write the statement for that first. So as per the informative sentence, cost of one refrigerator is equal to rupees 8,975. Now the second line, using the sentence of question, cost of 24 refrigerators. Now, how will you get this answer? You will think 24 times rupees 8,975 means multiplication. And then you will multiply 8,975 by 24. 8,975 multiplicand, 24 multiplier. And by now we have got how to multiply by 2 or 3 digit numbers. So you will apply that and you will get an answer of rupees 2,15,400. So this will be the cost of 8,975 refrigerators. Although the hidden question will be of same type in all the word problems, which is to be solved by applying multiplication sum. But there may be some tricks. So in this question, the monthly fee is rupees 2,550 per student. How much fees will a student pay in a year? So here also there are two sentences. Informative sentence informs you that the monthly fee is rupees 2,550. But in this line, in this sentence, there are two hidden meanings. First, monthly means per month, in 1 month. Second is per student. Per student means for each student, for every student, for one student. So the information given is one student has to pay rupees 2,550 in 1 month. Now the sentence of question is, how much fees will a student pay in a year? The question is given, the information is given in month, and the question is asked in year. So you have to strain your brain. What? That how many months are there in 1 year? And I think by now you know very well that there are 12 months in 1 year. Now, how to start writing the statement? So, as usual, you will see the line of question. How much fees? So, you have to start the statement from amount of fee. So, first line, using the information, amount of fee one student has to pay for 1 month is equal to rupees 2,550. And by now, you know very well that you have to find out for 12 months. So amount of fee one student has to pay for 12 months. You will multiply the amount of 1 month by 12, and the answer you are getting is 30,600 rupees. So your answer is a student will pay rupees 30,600 in a. Here is another question in which in the first look you are not getting any number. Then you will think, what question ma'am has given? There is no number. How can we do the multiplication? By which number will be multiplicand and which number will be multiplier? So you are mature enough to find out the numbers hidden inside the words of the question. Now I am reading the question for you. How many hours are there in 1 year? Means the question asked is number of hours in 1 year. So the hidden information is number of hours in 1 day. That you know very well. Yes, there are 24 hours in 1 day. As well, another hidden number is how many days are there in 1 year. In general, year represents the regular year. So you know very well that in one regular year there are 365 days. Now, statement, how will you write that? So it is asked how many hours. You will start the statement for number of hours, and it is asked for number of hours in 1 year. So that will be the second line. The first line will be number of hours in 1 day. So in 1 day, there are 24 hours. So number of hours in 1 day is equal to 24. Now number of hours in 1 year, and 1 year equals 365 days. So you will multiply 365 by 24 to get the number of hours in 1 year. And in this way, you will get your answer that there are 8,760 hours in 1 year. By now, you have understood well. As well, you have practiced such type of questions in class 3 also. So most of you must be knowing that when in the given question, the information is given for one and it is asked for many, you have to apply multiplication. This you have understood in class 3. That's why I didn't repeat till time. Now I am repeating it in question number 4. Question number 4 is a football. A football means one football weighs 288 grams. Means the information given is 288 grams is the weight of one football. And the line of question is, what is the total weight of 175 such footballs? Means information for one football is given and it is asked for 175 such footballs, means footballs of same weight. So it is very simple. You have to do multiplication. Again, how will you write the statement, or how will you start writing the statement? So it is asked the total weight. So you have to start writing the statement by weight. So weight of one football is equal to 288 grams. Weight of 175 footballs, 175 multiplied by 288, or 288 multiplied by 175. Both will give you the same answer, 50,400 grams. Since it is a bigger number for grams, so you can convert it into kilogram. Grams a smaller unit, kilogram bigger unit. So divided by 1000, because 1 kilogram has 1000 grams. So 50,400 grams will give you 50,000 grams and 400 grams, or 50 kg and 400 grams. Now the total weight of 175 footballs is 50,400 grams or 50 kg and 400 grams. By now you have understood well how to understand that the given sum will be solved by multiplication, as well how to write the statement. At the end, I would like to remind you how to multiply two numbers having zeros at the end. So at first you will separate all the zeros and you will multiply the numbers. Then you will bring back the zeros and it will give you the product. For example, 1900 multiplied by 80. Total 3 zeros. You will separate it out and you will keep it in a zero bank. Then 19 multiplied by 8 will give you 152. Now you will bring back all the 3 zeros from the bank and you will put it at the end of the product. So 1900 multiplied by 80 will give you 1,52,000, means 152 added with 3 zeros at the end. So that's all for the day, children. Thank you.